Ladies and gentlemen, financial disciples, broke besties worldwide. Welcome to the most important TED Talk of your lives, the Broke Bestie Guide to Financial Freedom. That's right. I, a self-made entrepreneur, investor, and financial genius, despite my credit score looking like a limbo stick, am here to change your life. Now, financial freedom is simple. I've broken it down into 3 groundbreaking principles that I may or may not have stolen from a fortune cookie. Step 1. Make more money. This is critical. You cannot be rich if you are poor. Revolutionary, I know. So, what's my method? Side hustles, baby. I personally run 6 businesses right now. Dropshipping, an exclusive Cash App flipping service, and a groundbreaking new concept called renting out my friend's Netflix account. But charging people for access. Passive income at its finest. Now I know what you're thinking. But bestie, how do I start with no money? Easy: credit cards. You see, a credit card isn't debt, it's delayed wealth. Some call it financial irresponsibility, I call it manifestation. Step 2. Invest like a billionaire. The trick is simple. Do exactly what billionaires do, except with your $17 bank balance. I recently made a massive investment in 400 lottery tickets. That's called diversifying your portfolio. I call it the Warren Buffett method, but with vibes. Now I can hear you asking, bestie, did you win? And to that I say, absolutely not. But that's the beauty of investing. It's a long game. We stay patient, we stay broke, we believe. Now the final and most crucial step, avoid expenses at all costs. Rent? That's a suggestion, not a requirement. Food? Why buy groceries when Costco has free samples? And if you ever have to pay for something, just act confused at the register until they give it to you for free. I call it the oops, I forgot my wallet method. Works 40% of the time, every time. Now before I go, I'd like to offer my exclusive financial literacy course. It's normally priced at $599. But today, only for my TED Talk audience, I'm dropping it to just 5 easy payments of $199. Act fast. Oh, my bank just overdrafted. Y'all got Venmo? Okay, time for my final words of wisdom. Like this video, subscribe, and share. Because knowledge is power, but watch time and engagement pay the bills. Thank you.